How to remove your YouTube account from another device, 2025 updated guide. Welcome to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your YouTube account from another device safely and quickly using your Android phone. First, open the Google Account app, or go to myaccount.google.com in your browser. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that's linked to your YouTube. Next, tap on Security from the top menu. Scroll down until you see your devices and tap Manage All Devices. Here, you'll see a list of every phone, tablet, or computer that's currently signed in with your Google account. Find the device you want to remove. Maybe it's an old phone or a public computer. Tap on it, then choose Sign Out or Remove Access. Confirm your choice, and that device will no longer have access to your YouTube account. For extra safety, go back to Security Password and change your Google account password. This makes sure no one can log back in without your permission. That's it. Your YouTube account is now safely removed from that device. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more easy tech tutorials.